Ever crawl into bed completely shattered? Yet lie there for hours, mind buzzing, body restless, wondering why your brain refuses to switch off. It's not just annoying. Poor sleep wrecks your mood, drains your energy, and leaves tomorrow feeling like you're dragging a sandbag uphill. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 3 science-backed supplements proven to help you fall asleep faster and wake feeling actually refreshed. Been there myself, lying awake for hours, then dragging through the day, so I know what it's like. I'm that far. I've spent over 20 years helping clients to restore their energy and fix their sleep. I've worked with everyone from highly successful businessmen through to everyday people. And my books and courses have reached over 12,000 people worldwide. Now, quick heads up. What I'm about to share with you isn't magic pills. They aren't intended to replace good sleep habits. If you haven't addressed these first, no supplement on earth is going to replace them. However, if you feel you could do with some help in that area, check out my free Sleep Recovery Cheatsheet, where I cover several strategies for optimizing your sleep. Just comment sleep below and I'll send that to you. Now, what these supplements are though is targeted. They address chemical and neurological triggers, stopping you from switching off at night. So let's explore the first of these supplements. First up, Magnesium Glycinate. Think of it as your nervous system's pedal. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions. But for sleep, it performs many tasks. One of its biggest is the regulation of GABA, one of your brain's main calming neurotransmitters. It also helps to lower cortisol, regulates tense muscles, and tells your body it's safe to drop into a rest mode. Now, the best form and dose is magnesium glycinate or bisglycinate. Take around 200 to 400 milligrams about an hour before bed. And if you experience digestive problems, it may be best for you to use either a liposomol form or the magnesium oral spray, which is absorbed through the skin. Next up is L-Theanine, amino acid that's commonly found in green tea that essentially presses a calm button of your mind. It works by increasing alpha brain waves, which are the same calm but alert brain waves activated during meditation. It also boosts GABA, serotonin, dopamine, all important neurotransmitters for calming the mind, whilst at the same time lowering your resting heart rate. Now, one 2019 study found that 200 milligrams a day reduced the time it took to fall asleep and lowered stress-related cortisol in poor sleepers. And unlike sleep medication, it won't leave you feeling groggy the next day. So the best dose is around 100 to 200 milligrams. Works best when it's paired with magnesium. So if you're getting value from this video, please give it a like. The first 2 supplements I've suggested calm your body and brain. The next one offers something different, Glycine. It's a sneaky assassin, bad sleep, yet hardly anyone is using it. It works as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, meaning it calms the nervous system and brain down. But its real magic is in its thermoregulation properties, as it helps drop your core body temperature by increasing blood flow to your hands and feet. The drop in core body temperature is one of the strongest natural signals for sleep. A 2012 study found that just 3 grams before bed shortened the time to fall asleep, increased deep sleep, and lowered core body temperature. The great thing is that it's not a sedative. You wake up alert and clear-headed the next day. Best dose is about 3 to 5 grams about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. So now you've got 3 daily alloys to help you fall asleep faster. No more counting sheep, just deep, restorative sleep from the right tools at the right time. Magnesium calms the body, L-Theanine calms the mind, Glycine cools your body for deep rest. Taken individually, they can work well, but when combined, they can be potent. So let me know in the comments if you tried any of these and what's actually worked for you. In my next video, I'll share 3 non-supplement based sleep hacks that can help you fall asleep even faster. And when paired with these 3 supplements that I've mentioned in this video, they could be a total game changer. So hit subscribe in order to not miss that. And remember, the real secret to sleeping faster isn't just in your head, it's in your chemistry.